Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make flan. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, then move on to creating that signature golden caramel. Next, we'll prepare the rich, creamy custard base. Finally, I'll walk you through the baking process and share tips for chilling and serving your perfect homemade flan. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this classic dessert. First, let's create the beautiful caramel layer. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar dissolves and begins to bubble. Continue cooking without stirring until it transforms into a gorgeous, deep amber color. Immediately and carefully pour this hot caramel into your 8-inch round baking dish, tilting to coat the bottom evenly. Be cautious, as caramel is very hot. Now, let's prepare the creamy custard. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs until well combined. Then, gradually add 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, mixing until smooth. Stir in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Carefully pour this smooth custard mixture over the cooled caramel in your baking dish. This creates the 2 distinct layers of your flan. Place your baking dish into a larger pan, then fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Once baked, let it cool, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to set completely. For the best deals on smart speakers and other great products, check the description below for links. When ready to serve, run a knife around the edge, invert onto a serving plate, and enjoy your perfectly wobbly, caramel-topped flan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.